Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Mixpanel from WordPress, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Mixpanel from your WordPress site, begin by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section in the left sidebar. Click on Installed Plugins to view all the plugins currently active on your site. Locate the Mixpanel plugin in the list of installed plugins. Once you've found the Mixpanel plugin, click on the Deactivate link below its name. After deactivating the plugin, the link will change to Delete. Click on the Delete link to remove the Mixpanel plugin from your site. Confirm the deletion when prompted to ensure the plugin is completely removed. Next, check your site's theme files for any residual Mixpanel code. Navigate to Appearance in the left sidebar, then select Theme Editor. On the right side, find the header.php file and click on it to edit. Look for any Mixpanel tracking code within the header section. If you find any Mixpanel code, carefully delete it. After making changes, be sure to click the Update File button to save your edits. Finally, clear your website's cache to ensure all changes take effect. You can do this by navigating to your caching plugin settings or using a caching service. Once the cache is cleared, verify that the Mixpanel tracking has been completely removed from your site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.